Hey guys, welcome back to the Storkerville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at these WorkPro diagonal cutters, or as I've always called them, side cutters. Some people even call them. Now, I was able to pick these up on Amazon for just under $5 in free shipping. The regular price is right around $15, but they do put promo codes out every once in a while. There's actually one available right now through May 31st, so I'll put a link down below. If you want to check it out, it'll be a link to my website. And I'll keep the post updated anytime they put out new promo codes so you can get them super cheap if you want. Now, to compare the pricing to some of these other items we have, the Craftsman's are 7-inch and they are $22. The WorkPros actually call themselves 7 inches, but if you measure it out, it's actually 7 3/4. I have no idea even what brand these are. There's no markings on it. These are Tool Shop, which is Menards. Will be nice to call it economy brand. They sell for a paltry $2.49. Quinn's, which I don't have here, which is Harbor Freight's newer brand. The Comfort Grip ones sell for $5.99, which I'm sure you would compare these two Comfort Grips or call those Comfort Grips also. Klein's, which I also don't have, they're 7-inch diagonal cutters. Sell for $25 right now on Amazon also. So we are on the lower side of things. And I feel like these WorkPros fall into the saying of, I'd rather have a tool I don't need than need a tool I don't have. Because one of the main selling points for me on it were being able to adjust the handles. You can see they lock in place. You just push that little button there. And I thought, man, if you get into a tight spot, you can't get anything else in there, that is fantastic. Or maybe you have an obstruction in this general area, so you need to get the handles out of the way. Every once in a while, you just might run into something where these will come in super handy. Can't go that far. Well, these will come in really handy for you. You can see, you can also see the positions. They're numbered. 0 is centered, and then 1, 2 on either side. They passed the drop test. I don't know, for some people that's a pet peeve. And look at that. Bam. Bam. Drop test approved. One thing I wasn't ecstatic about is it does have play in the handle once you get below the pivot point there. So if I try and hold these things steady, you can see how much the handles can move. And I tightened those damn screws as much as I could. Thought maybe that would tighten it up a little bit, but it just must be the slotted, however the mechanism's working for the adjustment. Which isn't awful, but you do have a little bit of play there. If we compare it to these Craftsman's, see a little bit of light shining through. And the WorkPros, of course, these WorkPros are pretty damn new. You get these old sons of bitches over here. You can see right through them. Alright guys, let's go over to a workbench. Check out these WorkPros, cut a few things, see how they do. As you can see, I take great pride and organization in the cleanliness of my workspace. Actually, let me clean this up a little bit for you guys. Perfect! Shut up. Alright. Now it's all cleaned up, we got these WorkPros, and we're going to cut a few things and see how they do. Got a little bit of wire here. Let's see. Looks pretty good to me. A little shaky. Successful so far. Let's try a nail. You think? Oh, camera focus. There we go, camera. Good boy. A bit of a projectile, but everyone's no worse for wear on that one. Got like a little roofing nail here. Gonna need 2 hands. Now this one might be a little aggressive. It's a good size right there. Couldn't quite get through this one by hand, so I thought, let's use the old Harbor Freight vise. Son of a bitch. Need more leverage. We bottomed out the handles. Oh. Well, on the bright side, I was putting quite a bit of force on that vise, using those vise grips as a little bit of a cheater, and we didn't break the mechanism here. See, it dug into the grips a little bit, but didn't. I thought this would break. Now our bolt, oh man, we almost got through it. Come on, focus. We did some damage to it. I might have been able to realign those handles and get all the way through there. Let's see what these cutters look like now. So you can see, it's actually not bad. You got, oops, sorry. I really thought we would damage them a little bit more doing that. Let's see, we got the wire still. Let's see how we do cutting the wire. Like butter! Like butter. Got a nail. Watch your face. You know, when you can get a promo code and get these things for about $5, that's not bad. I think they're worth the money. Anyways, links down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And who wants to come over here and clean up my workbench?